Hi folks, so I thought I'd do something different today and we'd have a look at the community page on my Patreon account. Now this is where people send their own paintings that they've done either through watching the tutorials on YouTube or on Patreon, or from their own references, things that they've done themselves. So I'm going to start off with Mike's painting here. This is an interesting piece. I did say to Mike in the comments actually that I got a little bit confused looking at this, because if you look at the sky itself, it's like it's almost like a nighttime sky, very deep, sort of midnight blue sort of colour. The meadowlands in the foreground are like sort of in bright sun, so I weren't quite sure whether it was meant to be day or night. But the flowers themselves are painted very nice. Still a very nice painting. So continuing down, we come to Mark's painting here. This one's quite a similar sort of meadowland foreground. Flowers very nicely done, and the sky, I do like a sort of very subtle sky. You can just about see hints of blue amongst all the clouds. Trees framing the distant hills. So yeah, lovely painting that one, Mark. So if we scroll our way down, we're now into Rick's painting here. This is a lovely mountain scene Rick's done. Quite a detailed mountain backdrop. Lovely sky there. Coming down, got all these nice trees down in the foothills, and this river that flows through. It's very neat, clean, crisp painting. I'd imagine this one took quite a while, but I think the end result was well worth it. Great painting, Rick. Going down, back to another painting by Mark. Again, we've got another lovely sort of meadow foreground here. Flowers, these white flowers put in really nice effect, nice splattering effect there with all the whites and whatnot. Nice bit of highlights there on the stems. Lovely little tree as well, only small, but little things like that with the fence post just really help catch your eye, that little bit of detail. And again, nice sky, great painting, that one, Mark. If I continue down, now we got this one, that was the reference photograph, another one here from Mike. This was the entrance to a church. Fantastic light effects on this. You can see the tonal contrast from the darks, really dark foliage here, right in the top left of the foreground here. It sort of frames this sign seen from the left. And then it looks like he's taken out, and I'm guessing used a dry brush or tissue or something to remove paint to create these sort of light effects in the foreground. See how the church is white, just really contrasting against these dark foliage. And some lovely highlights there in the tree, so that's a really nice painting. So if I continue to scroll down, we've got another one here by Rick. This is the Bow River. I think this is by, is it Calgary in Canada? I think Rick said he lives. And in some respects, similar to the maintenance painting, again, it's got very clean, crisp, very neat painting. Looks like a fair bit of gouache being used, white gouache. Very simple scene, but beautifully done. Very nice. So next we come to Joe's painting. This is a local scene that he did from a photograph. Cracking job. Love the fence post there in the foreground. Nice bit of detail gone into that. A few highlights there. I like the portrait format. So often underused that is, but you can get some cracking compositions. Lots of depth there. Look at all that depth going right through to those trees in the middle ground and all those trees in the distance. Lovely painting. And I'll just show you one more. Mark, something completely different, and I'm assuming these are like tea plantations. I might be completely wrong, but I do a lot of nice bird composition. I do love the sky, and it's got sort of oil painting feel to it. Nice bit of detail in the building. So they're just some paintings in on the community page of my Patreon channel. You'll see the link in all the video descriptions if you want to pop over and have a look for yourself. So until next time, thanks for watching, keep practicing, and I'll see you again.